My name is Venkat Gurnath. I did my BTech in Tirupati and I am going to do my Masters in Nuclear Science and Waste Management in France, which is a very famous university for specialized in nuclear science and waste management. My university name is Ecole de Mines, which is located in Nantes, and I am being guided by Mrs. Vasudha Murali Krishnan Garu. Yeah, I got introduced by one of my friend who has already been to France. He is Mr. Srinivas and he is already pursuing his MS in nuclear science. And he introduced me to Vasudha Murali Krishnan Garu, and later onwards she started processing my profile. I have few years of experience, work experience. So on work experience basis, I got admission and I got fee waived off and I got embassy scholarship also. And let me tell you clearly about this embassy scholarship. They are providing me around 615 euros per month for a period of 10 months. 615 euros is almost equal to 38,000 in Indian currency. So for about 10 months I can survive with that scholarship without any other expenses, without my own money. I need not spend money from my pockets. And I got my fee waived off, and it is just 2.4 lakhs which I have to pay now to my university. Actually, visa fees is 7,000 rupees. In case if we get embassy scholarship, we need not pay that visa fees. So my visa fees is also waived off. Actually, UK, US has lot of exposure in students, and everybody opt UK or US to do MS. But the basic thing is where we do MS is not the important issue. We should very selective in selecting our university and selecting our course and selecting the path. It is giving me a very good career. Yeah, France is see, in US or UK I may not get this kind of scholarships or this kind of fee. We should spend at least more than 10 or 15 lakhs to pursue our MS. Whereas in France, if you have work experience or if you have some merit or if you have you have scored good score in this admissions exams, entrance tests, you'll definitely get this scholarship, and your fee also will be waived off. Actually, I don't have idea to go to France before I met Vasudha Garu. After meeting her, I got good exposure about France, and before that even I am a layman in this France and everything. Before that I don't know anything. Scholarship, I got embassy scholarship, which is 615 euros per month for a period of 10 months. It is equal to 39,000 in Indian currency per month. So after the 10 months, depending on my grade score and my paper presentations in my university, this embassy will extend my scholarship again for one more year. I'll get the same scholarship for one more year. Future plan, actually I want to go into the research side. I want to pursue my PhD also. Otherwise I have very good options in India here itself after doing my MS in nuclear science, particularly in Nantes. My university is very famous for nuclear science and waste management. So I am going to do the same course in that university. So I have a lot of options in India here itself. I need not search jobs there in France or the UK, US. I need not search there, but I have a lot of options worldwide. Not only in India, not only in France. I have a lot of options in the worldwide.